Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, it is day 2 of my Walgreens days. We are back again to get us some more free stuff. My Walgreens days is fire. It started off with a bang yesterday, and we're going to keep it going today, and we're going to get some completely different products. So before I get started picking up the food items that I'm gonna do a couple transactions to get some register rewards. I want to convert some of the Walgreens cash that I'm earning into register rewards so that I can use it to bring down my out of pocket cost. So we're going to do this transaction right here. We're going to get these items right here and we're going to convert them over into register rewards and then use those register rewards so that we can pay for the items that we want today to maximize this new booster that we have for food products. So the 3 register reward deals that I am going to be grabbing first are the Dove body wash. This will give us a $4 register reward. The next item we're going to be grabbing is the Revlon. This will give us an $8 register reward. And even though this is a spin deal, also it's spend 20, get back an $8 register reward. Because we are getting back a register reward, we can still use our Walgreens cash to pay for it. And the nice part about this Revlon deal too is it's also going to give us a little bit of cash money that we can use to pay for any taxes that we have. And then the next thing we're going to grab is some oral care. This is giving back a $4 register reward. We can also use Walgreens cash to pay for this. All right, you guys, so the first deal that I did to turn some of that money back into cash and register rewards for today was the Dove body wash. I reviewed this in a couple different videos. Buy 2 for $7. Use the buy one, get one free digital or paper coupon. Pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, making them only $1.50 each. I also added in the Revlon. The reason I did the Revlon is because the Revlon is a great deal in order to not only get an $8 register reward because they are spend 20, get back 8, but you can also get some cash money on Ibotta because we have $3 Ibotta rebates for each one of these. So I bought these 2 for $20.78. Use $6 in digital coupons, 3 and 3. You pay out $14.78, but get back an $8 register reward and $6 in cash. So here is my transaction for that deal. So we got the 2 Dove, the 2 Revlon. There's my buy one, get one free coupon plus my 2 Revlon coupons. Subtotal comes up to $21.79. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. I still earned $3.64 on this transaction because of the 25% back. So we got back $3.64 in Walgreens cash. We got back $4 for the Dove. We got back $8 in a register reward for the Revlon, and we got back $6 in cash. So that is $23.64 back total. That is $1.85 moneymaker on these 4 items. I also did the toothbrush deal that I reviewed yesterday in order to get me another register reward. So we got 2 of those for $3 each. I used the 2 off of 2 digital coupon, paid $4, and then got back $4, making that completely free. We also earned 52 cents in Walgreens cash, even though we did use that $4 in Walgreens cash. So those were a very small money maker. So I came into the door today with only the $5 register reward, but now I have $6 in cash from my Ibotta, and I have these additional register rewards. So we got $21 to play with now that we can use to cover the cost of our food transaction. So now let's take this money and get ourselves some free food. So although this booster is good for food and drink items, I think I'm actually going to focus in on drinks today. But there are some decent food deals if you want them. This Miracle Whip is on clearance for $2.99. Remember, when you're buying food from the drugstores, always check those expiration dates, especially at Walgreens. We also have buy one, get one free on a lot of the cereals, along with Ibotta rebates. So I am going to start out by getting some water. So these Evian waters do have $1 peelies on them, and they're on sale two for four, but they're $1 off of two. So you would buy two for $3 after the coupon. We also have 75 cents back on the essential water if you like that. Our favorite water at home is actually the core water. It is on sale for $4.99 this week. I don't have any coupons, but we're going to get over 50% back in Walgreens cash for picking this up, which will drop it from its original price of $7.49 all the way down to about $2.50. I'm also going to be grabbing three of the Coke products. These are three for $14.99 with no manufacturer coupons, but they're going to still be a really good deal after this booster. If you need to stock up on regular bottled water, this is a really good deal as well on the Nice. These are already on sale two for five. After the Walgreens cash back, these can be, like $1.50 or cheaper a case. And if you like the Cheez-Its, you want to check online because these are buy one get one free and two for $3.99. So both of those promotions have been stacking. We have also had a similar promotion going on the Oscar Mayer hot dogs that you can do for an online pickup order. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my transaction using the spend 20 get back 10 point booster. So for this deal, I could make it a little bit cheaper by taking off one of the core waters and adding in a filler item to get me up to that $20 mark. But we actually really like the core water, so I'm just going to go ahead and get 2 packs of that and get the three Coke products. So this is going to be about $24.97 before our coupons are applied, which is way over that $20 spend amount. Now for this deal, I'm going to be using these register rewards to cover my out-of-pocket cost. Whatever these register rewards don't cover, I can use my Walgreens cash to pay the remaining balance because these register rewards, this is $21 in register rewards, will cover that full spend $20 amount. So then I can use my Walgreens cash and pay the rest to have very little out-of-pocket today. Y'all, when I tell you this transaction with our drink products was so beautiful. So there's our core water, there's our Sprite, our Coke. We used all four of those register rewards and we had a $3.97 subtotal. I did roll in $4 in Walgreens cash to pay that $3.97. So we only paid the top, I paid $1 in taxes out of pocket. You guys, I earned a total of $25.20 on this transaction. So I had a point booster for earn or spend $15 in three different transactions. You'll get back $10. So I got back the $10 for that booster because I did spend $15 in register rewards. And I also got back my $15 in bonus cash for the W Days event. So we got back $25.20 in this transaction where I spent out $24.97. All of our drinks products were completely super free. And the reason we got back $15 instead of $10 like this booster says is because this offer still stacks with the 25% offer that is good every single day this week. So with the $10 plus the 25% back, that is why we are getting back $15 when we buy $20 worth of food. And everything that we paid out in cash today, even our taxes, were completely covered by the money that we got back in cash money from Ibotta. So that is it for today, you guys. We got stocked up on a cart full of drinks for the super free, and we made a profit, and we didn't spend no money. Today, Walgreens is popping. So if you can roll those rewards, you guys, definitely do it and get stocked up on whatever food or drink items you want the most. I will see you back here because W Days continues all week long. We're about to get to it all week long. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.